Up first this evening, raging debate about some controversial policy changes from the police traffic department. At a function on Monday, head of the traffic police, ACP Gary Welsh, said starting September 1, if you breach the road code, a police officer will not give you a ticket on spot. Instead, you will be taken to a customer service center set up by the police where you join a line to get a number as if you're at a bank. But a few hours later, a complete rebuttal. We'll get to that in a moment, but first, the contentious issue. Having taken the heat for not prosecuting the so-called stunt driver caught on camera doing dangerous maneuvers on a main road, Bishop Dr. Gary Welsh has emerged from the proverbial sackcloth and ashes.
We're going to leave discretion at the altar.
No grace, no mercy. Motorists will face the full brunt of the law.
The law says when a constable stops you for an infraction, you will remain stationary until he is through. I have a problem. Our roads are narrow, and if we were to stop you to treat with infractions, it is going to create congestion. But I have a divine revelation.
And with that, the head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch made the stunning revelation.
As of September 1, we are going to set up customer service centers, especially in Kingston, for our customers who run afoul of the Road Traffic Act. You will not be pulled over on the highway or in the narrow corridors. You'll be taken off the road. The first place we've identified is Police Officers Club. If you violate in Kingston, we will pull you off to Police Officers Club, where you will go through the same procedure you go through when you go for a visa at the U.S. Embassy, or when you go to the bank. We have ordered a customer service numeric system that will tell you which customer we are serving. When you come and you see that you have number 50 and we are now serving customer number 3, you can complain all you want. We are here to serve you. You might want to ask somebody ahead of you to exchange places, and that's quite okay. If you violate, expect to be served.
The communion service may not include a serving of traffic tickets. Since a lot of them are outstanding, the Assistant Commissioner of Police says summons will act as substitutes. No ticket payment. Motorists will head straight to court. And if one doesn't show up, a warrant will be issued.
I know you have a busy life, and so do we. When we work hard and we find you wherever we find you, you will come with us. We think that we will have time to do this on Friday afternoons. Court is usually Tuesday. If you are arrested on a bench warrant, we can't do anything other than hold you and take you to court when it is convenient. And might I say that we also have bench warrants for the other parishes outside of Kingston. When we hold you on a bench warrant, it is the obligation of the station that requires you to come and get you. Most of those stations don't have vehicles. And so you might be with us for a time. Well, yes, they do have the area prisoner truck that comes into Kingston. We will reserve a place for you to ride back. We are going to remove discretion so that people understand that the law has teeth.
ACP Gary Welsh is therefore asking persons who think they have outstanding traffic tickets to negotiate their arrests before September 1.
You come to our customer service center, We're going to run your license to see if you have outstanding warrants. We're going to check the affiliation desk to see if you owe child support. We're going to check to see if you're on our wanted list. We're going to check to see if you're part of a gang. You will be with us for a long time. We'll take good care of you. Please do not come to see us. The Lord be with you.